case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Illinois Supreme Court took up the case of Francis Unger, an inmate who made an audacious escape from a low-security prison in an alleged desperate bid for survival. Unger claimed he had been on the receiving end of serious threats and horrific assaults within the prison, ultimately compelling him to choose between remaining in danger or escaping. Initially, Unger served his sentence in a high-security prison, but had to be relocated to a minimum security honor farm after getting threatened. His situation only worsened there, as he was, tragically, sexually assaulted by 3 inmates. Subsequent to this distressing event, Unger received a chilling call threatening his life if he dared to report on the prior occurrences. Fearing for his life, Unger grappled with his options and finally decided to risk an escape from the facility. However, in the ensuing trial over his escape, the judge instructed the jury to disregard Unger's necessity defense, leading to his conviction. This decision hinged on explicit instruction that overlooked the reasons for his flight, a point of contention that formed the basis of an appeal. Upon further review, the higher court rebuked the presiding judge's refusal to consider the necessity defense. In an exception to previous mandates like Lover Camp, which ruled on the necessity of reporting incidents to claim necessity, the court asserted that reporting was only a consideration, not a requirement. Clear distinctions in the definitions of necessity and compulsion were highlighted, with necessity applicable when the defendant is forced to choose between 2 equally dire situations. This differing perspective was instrumental in overruling the lower court's verdict. The case was ultimately sent back to the lower court in Will County, calling for a new trial that actually considers Unger's argument of necessity. The groundbreaking ruling has not only paved the way for Unger to mount a compelling defense, but also blurred the lines in terms of what counts as a legitimate justification for escaping prison.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.